One important thing, Hari touched it in his intervention, is ease of doing business is very important. At the end of the day, you have all this together, you have answered all the three questions, but on day one you face a big hurdle and so on. So what do you do? So ease of doing business is also a very important consideration nationally that is being debated, considered, worked out and so on. So this concept of e-biz, which the Government of India, this is a concept which I had floated in 2003, but fortunately it has come of age now, and in this month, Andhra Pradesh, we are launching this portal, a comprehensive G2B portal covering all the span of services that G2B services that a company would need, right from registration to its running to its various aspects of managing the business. So this month we are going to, it's a Government of India project. Andhra Pradesh is one of the pilots, and we have pushed it, fast tracked it, and we are going to launch it this month. So these are the factors to consider the right destination to go to. Last slide is about AP, because so far I have been looking at it from Delhi. All the states were equal to me, but when I am working for a state, for a chief minister and for a cause at the ground level, I need to speak some ground level stuff. So that is the provocation for this slide, nothing more. So we have in AP, in the month of June and July, the moment the new government came, we brought out this triad of policies, one on IT, one on electronics, and third on innovation. Innovation, for the first time for any state, a specific policy on innovation with its own entire ecosystem, how do you build? And we have already launched it in Vizag. There's an incubation towers, and 50 startups have already started working there. And I would request you to go to the hyperlink on the AP electronics policy once, please. Those who are manning it, just go to AP. No, just go down. Go to the. Just go up. Go to the tab on AP electronics policy. Yes, please. Thanks. So a quick highlight of our electronics policy, one slide view, that it looks at infrastructure. We are positioning Vizag as the mega electronics hub, reserving space south of Vizag for the hardware and electronics areas, and north of Vizag for IT and software stuff. And then a signature tower and a few hardware parks and EMCs in other places.